The strength of a company like ours lies in one key thing: adapting to what the customer needs. Take this project for example, not on land, but on water. Here's how we made it happen. We're on the Brisbane River, and a number of wharf maintenance and piling operations need to be carried out. The best equipment for the job is one of our 𝐜l𝐢e𝐳t𝐬 CKE 1800-1F 180-tonne crawler cranes. To get things moving, the crane had to be loaded onto a barge. The barge had to be supported by a tugboat to keep the vessel stable against the quay line during the loading procedure. This entire operation is tide dependent. The crew have to wait for the tide to rise high enough to lift the crane and barge up together. Once the water reaches the right level, we're good to go. Patience, experience, and accurate naval engineering is the key. Other equipment is also loaded onto the barge to carry out all the necessary maintenance work. The rental for this setup will last around 2 months. 2 months during which our crane won't touch dry land.